This video demonstrates how to take and submit a quiz in Brightspace. Use the Quizzes tool to take a quiz and review your quiz results. From Quizzes or Content, navigate to the quiz you want to take. Click Start Quiz to open the quiz summary page. Review the page and click Start Quiz. Your quiz may display all questions on one page, a set of questions, or one question per page. Note the quiz timer at the upper right as you take your quiz. Select the strike-through icon beside an answer option to eliminate choices you believe are incorrect. Select the bookmark icon beside a quiz question to flag it for review. Flagged questions appear in the left navigation, so you can quickly return to them later. When you finish your quiz, click Submit Quiz to complete your quiz submission. If your instructor allows it, you will see your quiz result on the submission page. Some questions that require grading, like long answer, will not show a result until your instructor grades them. Review your quiz results and click Done. Your quiz result is displayed in Content when you select the quiz in the module. Now you know how to use the Quizzes tool to take a quiz and review your quiz results. Thank you for watching.